move through you. I've been longing for the moment to talk the truth to you. I'm never home, I always get up and go. Putting you through the unnecessary rigmarole. I never meant to put 1,000 pounds of stress on your head. I love meant to put 1,000 pounds of stress on your head. I love meant to put 1,000 pounds, meant to put 1,000 pounds, meant to put meant to put meant to.
Something about the way she moved. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly. She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Shine, Miss Independent, Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her, something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she bout to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for the boss, only a boss. Anything less, she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. You're everything I need. Said you're everything I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come You gotta rock and wait in this one. Come on.
See, I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock.
Do you remember, girl? I was the one who gave you your first kiss. 'Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said, put your lips like this. Even before all the fame and people screaming your name. Girl, I was there, and you were my baby. It started when we were younger, you were mine. Now another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Even though we used to argue, it's alright. It's alright, girl, that's okay. I know we haven't seen each other in a while, but you will always be mine.
When we were younger, you were mine. When I see it from time to time, I still feel like you see it no matter how I try to hide. You know there's another man who
We're coming home, but you give it that raw. Favorite position is from the back door. Girl, you know the drill, don't ask no questions. You already know.
Tonight's your night, girl. I'm trying to give you that thing to make it say. From the kitchen floor down to the fireplace. Incense burning your body, talking that shit to me. Cancel that phone. The only sound I'm trying to hear is your moan. You riding topless, no panties on. And I've been thinking about this all day long. You're giving me the fire,
Coming home, but you give it that raw. Favorite position is from the back door. Girl, you know the drill, don't ask no questions. You already know, already know, already know, already know, already know, already know. Versace on the floor. Ooh, shake it off for me now, girl. Versace baby, it's killing me, it's killing you. Both of us trying to be strong. I got somewhere else to be, promises to keep. Someone else who loves me and trusts me fast asleep. I've made up my mind, there is no turning back. She's been good to me, and she deserves better than that. It's the hardest thing I'll ever have to do, to look you in the eye and tell you I don't love you. It's the hardest thing I'll ever have to lie, to show no emotion when you start to cry. I can't let you see what you mean to me when my hands are tied and my heart's not free. We're not meant to be. It's the hardest thing I'll ever have to do, to turn around and walk away, pretending I don't love, love, love,
All of them going on around round the world, like I can't get my girl. 24/7, 48 for players on track and they must back watching our star. Step cross.
She don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, no, no. She don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, nobody but me, nobody but me, yo. Other guys try to hold her hand, other guys want the one night stand. They all stay when she's around. I'm so proud how she puts them down. She don't let nobody, no, no. She don't let nobody, nobody but me. Nobody but me, y'all. I don't worry 'cause we're so tight. See, he told him most every night. She let me have the master key. That's why I kiss the explicitly. She don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, nobody but me. Nobody but me, y'all.
Alright, my turn. Only me alone, they palm me girl mine. Only me alone, make our love light shine. Only me alone, they palm me girl mine. Only me alone, make our love light shine. Me say love on a rush, but them bet it bust. Only me alone, I get the love up, love up. No guy out the road, them a rush and a lost, but my little virgin I love the mix up.
She don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, no, no. She don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, she don't let nobody, no, no. She don't let nobody, nobody but me, nobody but me, no, no, no. You know you want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over here. I got what you need right here, baby. Baby, baby, I know I get locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. No, they won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. No, they won't let me out.
Yeah. Feels like the old times. I know a lot of you all out there can relate to the old times. So this one's for you. Yeah. Listen. If I take you back in the room, spin you around, my baby. Take off your clothes and all of mine too. Lay you down, way down. We can be discreet, nobody has to know. We don't need no sheets, we can just close the door, my baby. I can take you places that you ain't been before. Soon as we get there, baby, you'll be coming back for more. 'Cause if it ain't good enough, baby, I'll work harder. Keep pumping every minute, girl. And baby, I'll do you up, baby. And I will not stop till I know your heart. If I touch your body tonight, will you touch mine? Will you touch me, baby? Right here. Kiss both your lips and rub on those thighs. Taste your wine. Taste your wine. Taste your wine. Taste your wine. Taste your wine.
You don't know
somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change the last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No.
Something that I want to say. But words sometimes get in the way. I just want to show my feelings for you.
I like it.
There's nothing that I'd rather do than spend every moment with you. I guess you should know I feel so. You are my lady. You're everything I need and more. You are my lady. You're all I'm living for. There's no way that I can resist your precious kiss. Girl, you've got me so hypnotized. Just say that you'll stay with me. You'll stay. 'Cause our love was meant to be. I promise to love you more each day. You are my lady. You're everything I need and more.
Baby, don't you know that you're so fine? Baby, all the time. Guess it's time to say, baby, how you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait each day just to see you walk. Trying to move in close to get you where you are. Not trying to be rude, baby. Nothing venture, nothing gain. So I'm telling you, baby. You're so
DJ Drew spinning flames, inferno in the crates. Needle hits the wax, resurrecting old greats. Pack vibes, spirit in the groove, no debates. Truth in the baseline, shaking all the fakes. Vinyl spins, secrets hidden in the hiss. Every scratch a sermon, every drop of bliss. Turntables preaching, where the speakers kiss. Mic check, legacy, ain't nothing missed. Through the ghost, spinning notes, timeless quotes. Echo through the streets where the real ones float. Through the goat, watch watch it glow. Legends in the mix, packs, essence in the flow. Through the go, spinning notes, timeless quotes. Echo through the streets where the real ones float. Through the go, watch it glow. Legends in the mix, packs, essence in the flow. Go, through the go, watch it glow. Legends in the mix, packs, essence in the flow. Go, through the go, watch it glow. Legends in the mix, packs, essence in the flow.
Call you baby, can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.
Drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my
Stroking
girl to shine on them. Want to feel me lover and me want to feel me friend. I love every make the green, rock the party that rocks the body. You rock the party that rocks the body. I 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 rock the party that rocks the body.
In the city, remember I used to drive a Yukon. I pull up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? Ay, in the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I get up, you get a move on. Like you home and I know you like to go slow. We could go faster. Tell me the password. Sly City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Sly City, plenty men tryna get you in bed. So I'ma get sloshed instead. Know what's gonna make you beg.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing tonight? Oh, come on, I can't hear you. All the way from the Cook Islands, we say kia ora na. Meitaki, ladies and gentlemen. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwayne Johnson, fabulous, delicious, with extra whipped cream, with a little bit of cookie. You can call me Boo Boo. Everyone say kia ora na, Boo Boo. My number is 727-5567 for your emergencies only. Call me after the show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for Rex? Make some noise. Alrighty, before we start, we have a safety procedure proudly sponsored by our very own hotel host, Taumeasina Island Resort. First of all smoking is please do it outside the gates. Be considerate. Second, all restrooms are located outside the gates. Please do not use our grass and our bushes. And third, for any fire, earthquake, or tsunami, all you have to do is jump into the ocean. Are you guys ready? All right, now just a little information about our handsome brother all the way from the Cook Islands. Rex Atirai. He is not single. Sorry, ladies, and sorry, gentlemen of the, acquired taste. Now, just letting you guys know, he is of Maori, Tahitian, and Cook Island background. He has infused a little bit of hip-hop, R&B, but giving it that cookie flavor. Also infusing Hawaiian, Tahitian, and a little bit of Samoan flavor as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the only information I'm going to give you tonight because I want Rex to give you what his flavor is all about. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you guys ready? Alrighty. Now, I want to invite him. Rex, are you ready, Rex? Hey, where's the mic for Rex from Mule? Alrighty, I believe he has his microphone now. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big chihu on 3. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the sexiest man alive, Rex Atirai.
Kia ora, everybody. How's everybody tonight? I just want to thank you all for coming out tonight. It means the world to me. And I want to know if you're still awake. So if you can repeat after me. I heard that Samoa's the place where the chihu comes from. Is that true? All right, give me the best chihu I've ever seen. Chihu! Oh, I think the Cook Islands is a bit better than that. Let's go one more time. Chee-hoo! Oh, there we go. Not bad, not bad. Nah, all good. So the first song I'm going to be singing, as you know, I hail from the island of Tahiti. So I'm going to get my fiance. Give a hand for my fiance. He's going to be coming. She's going to be dancing to you. And this song is called Audio. And her name is Nola, just if you know. Okay. All right, give a hand for Anola. All right, so I'm going to be taking you to the Cook Islands. You guys might know this song. I'm going to be taking you to the island of Aitutaki. Does anyone know where Aitutaki is? No? Whoa, it's the best place too. But we're going to get the Manumea girls to come to the stage. They're going to be doing a beautiful dance to you as well. And this song is called Aitutaki Paradise. Please enjoy. Way beyond the ocean, across the sea, there lies an island, Aitutaki Paradise. I remember those yesterday when I fell in love with you. Aitutaki, my love, Aitutaki Paradise. De marine, de roimata, ingaroa, ia koe, ararau enua, oru ki te moana, na. De marina i roi mata ngaro I a koe ararau enua oru ki te moana ararau enua oru ki te moana. All right, give a hand for our beautiful girls. All right, the next song. What's the next one? All right. Hino strings? Are the girls dancing for Hino strings? All right. The next song is called Hino Strings. All right, you might have seen this song on TikTok. A lot of people have been dancing to it, and now the privilege goes to our beautiful girls who are going to be dancing to the song. So Heno Strings, and the Cook Islands means the island of the strings. Where the ukulele comes from, the kamaka, that's called the island of strings. So this song is for all of our people. Let's go. Ari amai, soa soa mai, sa tau ai tau karere. Ari amai, soa soa mai, sa tau ai tau karere. I mene tatui, nararo mai, te tumuniue, viti viti mai koe, akatangi tatoe, ki te ura ura tamure. I mene tatui, nararo mai, te tumuniue, viti viti mai koe, akatangi tatoe, ki te ura ura tamure. Neki mai o te pai tokila o te pai tonga, Akitangi mai tora rotonga, akitangi mai tora aka ukarere. Neke mai uti pai tukila uti pai tonga. Akitangi mai to puka puka, akitangi mai to mangai aka ukarere. Tapiri mai ko etena tua kana te puoni vatapo watangai. Kia kalongo boy na me o te pat te tangine te raka ukarere. Tapiri mai ko etena tua kana te puoni vatapo watangai. Kia kalongo boy na me o te pat te tangine te raka ukarere. Te tangine te raka ukarere. All right. Akatoka manava nukuroa. Akatoka manava nukuroa. Enu amanu akaiye. Lele ngaputoru. I'll give a hand for Boo Boo. Enu amadu nakaiye. Kitangi ukalele ngaputoru. Kitangi ukalele ngaputoru. Sailo, sailo, sailo. Ketindio mahuta. Salulu itiata. Mamayata. Oh, beautiful. Sailo, sailo, sailo. Ketindio mahuta. Salulu itiata. Mamayata. Te kuki airani. Te utupuna. Te kuki airani. Te utupuna. Give a hand for Boo Boo. All right, guys. What's the next song? All right, this song is called Taku Inangaru. So in our language, Taku Inangaru means my love. So with this song, it talks about the love of the sunrise and the love of the sunrise and the love of the people. So this is my love to Samoa. As you know, this is my first time in Samoa. I've never been to Samoa, and I've been loving it ever since. The food, oh, beauty. But now the song Taku Inangaro, this is my love to you. DJ. De mane o te tiare maori te meka o te natura te maru irunga I te aka 聞いてもあんなおのたくわろはねばいねかばいらkita kuat tua Yehova aku cinta wite apiri anga mero kotai ideara totape aga ipo te akairo no te inangaro na umaina takavema tutawaina ngaro totape aga ipo te akairo no te inangaro umaina takavema tutawaina ngaro metetsu itepo te marama pura pura tomani a te tiare maori no te kameka o te natura ruiruga i te aka taku aroha no taku inangaro mei te monga te ie i te moana o ko taku aroha te vaine ka vaira e taku atua Yehova aku tino mau i te apiri ana e mero kutai i te iara totape aka ipo te akairo no te inangaro o mai rata kame mai tutawaina ngaro totape aka ipo te akairo no te inangaro o mai rata kame mai tutawaina ngaro maunaira takavema tutawaina ngaro itetsu itepo te marama pura pura. All right, give a clap for our beautiful girls. All right. As you know, I've heard that you guys just recently celebrated your International Independence Day. The 60th. Oh, 60th. Oh, 64. Hey, I'm trying. But we got the Independence, the Language Week. So I wanted to compose a song that was specifically talking about Samoa. So this song, I'm going to be singing in Samoa. So I'm going to try my best. Please don't laugh. But the song talks about Samoa and the pride and also the culture that you have and how much you guys are proud. So this is going to be your first time listening to this song, so I hope you like it. So this is unreleased, so whoever's here, this is just for you. DJ, let's go. moto uatumu ile mimita olelele o Samoa fuatele ola faola maunga ile sami etu mama tango fie epe o tangata lotu alofa malosi mama malu
Ole Samoa Moni fa atua ile atua Itaimi uma Ole fa amanuianga Itoi foi mai fa atele Samoa E matango fi
Malosi e somale fa atua no masumusunga ole anganu upele ole la ilo Samoa
Moni fa atua ile atua Itaimi uma Ole fa amanuianga Itoi foi mai fa atele Samoa E matango fi Ole Samoa Moni fa atua ile atua Itaimi uma Ole fa amanuianga Itoi foi mai fa atele Samoa E matango fi Samoa E matango fi
How did I do? Thank you so much. So, just a little background on the song. I don't know if you guys met Matt Sua, but he's also the one that's singing with me on this track. So, shout out to Matt Sua. And now, I'm going to take a little break. We're going to hand it over back to the DJ, and I'll be back with some more bangers. Let's go. DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai. How's my cousin doing? He's amazing. I can't hear you. I know, right? It runs in my blood as well. So now, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I want you guys to make some noise for the production that brought our brother all the way from the Cook Islands right here in the beautiful Taumeasina Hotel. Please give it up for FIAFIA production. And also Radio Polynesia. And without our partners, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big shout out. Our gold partners, Samoa Observer, Vailima Bureaus, and your very own Samoa Tourism Authority. Our silver partners, ladies and gentlemen, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co-Limited, and SOS. Our bronze partners is Hotel Millennia, where all the lovemaking happens. And our accommodation partners, Le Manume Hotel, and your very own host, Taumeasina Island Resort. And ladies and gentlemen, these are the partners that protect us and run everything nice and smooth for the day. Special Lighting Samoa, KL Security, Reef High Ridge, Island Business Center, and Dog Pro Audio. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, your very own host, Boo Boo. Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have an amazing giveaway. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I want 4 people up here. Any volunteer want to earn a prize tonight? 4 volunteer. Okay, we have 1 over here. Come up, come up. Come around. We got 2 more. Oh, okay, I just got told they have to be 21 and over. So if you win, you give it to your mom and your dad, okay? Any 2 more? 2 more volunteers? No? Okay, we have our 2. Hey, Drew, we're going to have a dance-off competition. Do you have any, like, Cook Island beats up there? No Cook Island beats? Okay, it's okay. Give me something fast. But before we start, what's your name, gorgeous?
Lavinia.
Everyone say, Kia ora, Lavinia. And how about you?
Grace Na.
Grace Na. And everyone say, Kia ora, Grace Na. Okay, Nia, you're going to go first. Come here, Grace Na. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to show me what you got, okay? DJ, drop the beat. So we are. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Are you ready to dance? No, Drew. Change it up. She wants something hip-hoppy. Oh. Is that okay for you, honey? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lavinia. Oh. Go, Nia. Go, Nia. Go. Shake what your mama gave you. Yeah. Shake what your daddy gave you. Hey. Go, Nia. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And give it up for Lavinia. Nia, come over here. Take a bow, Nia. Take a bow. Nia, where you at? Take a bow. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nia. Now the moment y'all been waiting for. Please put your hands together all the way from France. Give it up for Grace Na. Grace Na, are you ready? Oh, she ready. She bad. 1, 2, 3, hit it!
Just 'cause she dances, go.
Whoa.
Maxine, put your actions on. We going to the disco.
Go, Grace. Go, Grace. Go, Grace.
Mama said I'm in love with this strip for you.
Everyone, Gracie. Hey. Get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hit it. Come over here. Nia, come on my left. Grace now on my right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are the judges for the evening. Make some noise for... Not bad, Lavinia, not bad. Make some noise for Grace. Okay, let's do that one more time. My hearing aid wasn't on. Okay, one more time. Lavinia! Silence, please. Another one? Or you want to challenge these 2? Yeah, come up right now. Hurry up. Hurry up, babe. Kulo main ko nga. Security, lock him up. Okay. Oh, Grace Na and Lavinia, I am sorry, but we have a challenger. Can you guys come over here, please? Come to the left. Babe, hurry. No. So. What's your name, sir?
Napoleon.
Oh, everyone say Kia ora na Napoleon. Napoleon, are you ready, Napoleon? Yeah, take a bow, Napoleon. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our challenger, Napoleon, all the way from Italy. 1, 2, 3, hit it!
Just 'cause she dances, go. It don't make her a hoe, no. Maxine, put your actions on. We going to the disco.
Napoleon.
Called up my mama, said I'm in love with this.
Atirai.
Hey, let me see you shake it like you got the bones in your body. You was made to be a celebrity. 20 grand, no assistant, but the more you show me a little more
can live with fulfill
Lua, so
30 grand to the highest bid.
Tulu,
Chris
so
Rock said there's no sex in the champagne room.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cut it. Thank you, Drew. Yes, I'll eat Napoleon. Okay, now we're gonna do this one more time, girls. Step forward. Give it up for Lavania. Not bad. Grace-na. And Napoleon. Yeah, love you, babe. Yeah, thank you, babe. Fusi. Yeah, alula. Fikaule room 302, Taumeasina. Thank you, Napoleon. Okay, right back to the original two. Give it up for Lavania. Grace-na. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we have a tie. Please give it up for our dancers of tonight, Lavania and Grace-na. If I call my son, may make a fridge at Taumeasina. Hold up. Alrighty. Remember I said it's 21 and over. I have a bottle of champagne, a Moet. So it's for both of you, okay? Give it up. It's a tie for our win for Lavania and Grace-na. Mom and Dad, make sure you grab that bottle, okay? I'm not even supposed to be giving it to them, but it's outdoors. Anyways, so ladies and gentlemen, are you guys having a good time tonight? Make some noise. When I say hey, you say ho, hey, hey. Hey. Tatolumai. Tatolumai. Tangi mele afe ai. Uyangale, ngau pusi alevai. Now I'm going to turn the time to Drew to play some music while you go top up your drinks tonight, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for DJ Drew. Drew, drop the beat. So yeah.
Inside with the vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, so girl, you talk like you walk, come and talk to me. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. When I take you to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she looks right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, I just might. Hey.
trying to spot something real nice. Looking for a little shorty I know they so that I can take home. I can take home. She could be 18, 18 with an attitude of 19, kinda snotty, acting real rude. But as long as you a diggy, diggy, dick, girl, you know that it's on. You know that it's on. I peep something coming towards me up the dance floor. Sexy and real, hey, saying she been peeping and I dig the last video. Somewhere that we could go. How could I tell her no? Measurements was 36, 25, 34. Yelling, I like the way you brush your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. I like the way the light hit the ice and glare. I can see you moving way over there. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we three willing in the four with the goatees. So why do I live this way? If you wanna go and get with me, smoke it in the back of the Benzie. Oh, why
the volume, pump up the volume.
This is a journey into sound. This is a journey.
I would take the stars out of the sky for you. Stop the rain from falling if you ask me to. I'd do anything for you, your wish is my command. I could move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Words could not express how much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the price. Everything that I possess, I'd gladly sacrifice. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby, oh, baby. To you, I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh, baby, oh, baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me. Oh, baby, 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 baby,
When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it's hard. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you know it's hard.
You know it's hard.
You know it gets so hard. Everybody wants her. Everybody loves her. Everybody wants to take your baby home. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you watch your friends.
You watch your friends, you better watch your friends.
When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it never ends.
It never ends, you know it never ends.
You know that it's crazy. You wanna trust her. Then somebody hangs up when you answer the phone. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you go it alone. Maybe it's just an ego problem. Problem is I've been fooled before by fair weather friends and faint-hearted lovers. And every time it happens, it just convinces me more.
When you're in love, beautiful woman,
You're in love with a beautiful woman.
you watch your eyes.
Watch your eyes, baby, watch your eyes.
Beautiful woman,
Ooh, look for lies.
looking for love, 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 looking for love.
Looking out across the night time, city winks as straight as I. Yeah, I'd always shake my window, sweet seducing sighs.
content is you and me, Joe. Why does he do it that way?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Said I gotta leave, baby. Gotta get away somehow. Gotta find me somewhere that I can have a peace of mind. I just wanna chill, baby. Cause I done work hard all week long. Yeah, I just wanna go somewhere I can get my body on. That's why I gotta leave, baby. I gotta get away somehow. Gotta find me somewhere that I can have a peace of mind. I just wanna chill, baby. Cause I done worked hard all week long. Yeah, I just wanna go somewhere I can get my body on. Think I'ma holler at my boy, yeah, just to see what's good. Go and buy me a bottle, yeah, cause I'm feeling kinda good. Got a pocket full of money and a big bag of reefer. I'ma swing through my neighborhood, yeah, just to holler at my people. That's why I gotta leave, baby. I gotta get away somehow. Gotta find me somewhere that I can have a peace of mind. I just wanna chill, baby. I done worked hard all week long. Yeah, I just wanna go somewhere I can get my body on.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's not forever, it's
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, how's everybody doing tonight? Are we having a good time? Make some noise. Alrighty, I want to know where you guys are visiting from. Anyone visiting from Aotearoa, New Zealand, the long white clouds? Make some noise. Can we all say kia ora to our family from New Zealand? Anyone visiting from the big continent of Australia? Make some noise. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! And how do we say hello from Australia? All right, let's turn to Australians and say g'day, mates. All righty, do we have anyone visiting from the United States of America? And can we all say, what's up, cousins? And how about the rest of us? Where are we visiting from? Samoa. Do we have any Samoans in the building? Make some noise! Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I have a beautiful Prosecco bottle over here. I need 4 volunteers. 4 volunteers. You don't have to dance this one. Just come up. Anyone? Come on, don't be shy. Have to be 21 years and over. No, 21. Yeah, okay, fine. You claim it for your mom, okay? Yep, come here, auntie, come. We need 2 more, 2 more. Yeah, come over here. One more, 1 more. Anyone from Australia want to come up? Okay, we got our 3, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, we have this beautiful call called the Fa'aumu, known to the world as Chihu. Let's hear a good Chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, step forward, gorgeous. What is your name?
Mele.
Everyone say Talofa Mele. Mele, are you ready to give me your best Chihu? Okay, breathe in, breathe out, and 1, 2, 3.
Yahoo!
If you la valele, Mele. All right, step to the side over here, Mele. Not bad. Hi. Oh, hey, Miss Cook Islands. What is your name?
Antinane.
Everyone say kia orana, Auntie Nane. Auntie Nane, show them how a real Chihu sounds like. 1, 2, and 3.
Chihu!
Not bad. Very classy. All right, step on this side, Auntie Nane. All right, hey, Sugar Daddy. Talofa, what is your name, sir? Lea? Fangao may papa may falikili. Oi. Papa fakikili. Alrighty. Are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Silly. Olichi who? Silly. Yeah, quite fine. 1, 2, 3.
Who?
Yeah. Step to the side. Yeah, welcome back, Napoleon. Napoleon, are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I call them up, you guys are the judges of the evening. Please make some noise for Mele. Okay, give it up for Auntie Nane. Give it up for Papa Faikikili. And give it up for Napoleon. Yeah, Mele, step forward, Mele. Napoleon, step forward. We're going to do it one more time. Give it up for Mele. And give it up for Napoleon. Okay, Leon. All right, sorry, Napoleon. Mele. I'll give you my number later, okay? Yeah. Mele, where's your mommy? Yeah, mommy, come and claim this. The police is looking at me right now. Come. Give it up for Mele! Yeah, mom, the value of our bottle is 185 tala, so you owe Mele 185 tala. Congratulations, Mele! Okay, and give it up for Auntie Nane. Papa, my Faititili. And Napoleon. Okay, go back, you guys. Thank you. What are you waiting for, Uncle? Oh, you want a hug? Okay, fearful see. Now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay. Alrighty. Are you guys having a good time tonight? Make some noise. And make some noise for our hosting hotel, Taumeasina Island Resort. Now, DJ, I'll put you guys back to get some more drinks into your system, and we'll bring our second set with Rex Atirai. Samoa!
3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Before I have to pull the strap out the cut,
give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble, cause ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Two bloked out G's, so we crazy. Death Row is the label that pays back. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'm glad I'm understated from a young G's perspective. And before me dig out a trick, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now when she burning, I'ma chill for a minute, cause ain't no loving good enough to get burned while I'm offended. And that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Up a chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Drake tweet to the mic like a fan.
Lock the door and turn the lights down low, and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand, I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand.
Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee me sales pulling up a luck. We don't believe in my world, double up. We don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. They didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem with the Goldie sound. Can't no PD, just hold me down. Cooler, school me to the game, now I know my duty. Stay humble, stay low, blow like Hootie. True pimp, spin no dough on the booty.
Put on a fresh white suit and
in the range and roll over. I just really one of your hoes. This time get to know. That's a good chick. Before it's all over, I'ma meet this chick. Probably treat this chick more better. Cause if you ain't no thugs and ladies go together. Poppin' my collar partner, who in the spot? Baby, who in the spot? In the mug, in the pot. Half of y'all hate, half y'all love me. The ones that hate me only hate me little trust. And they say I'm lucky. You think I got time to blow all this dough and do all these shows? On flight in the llama charging white robes. Uh-oh, another episode. To everybody that be living it up, we say what I do. And all my ladies that be giving it up, what you do. To everybody that be living it up, we say what do I do. And all my ladies that be giving it up,
and make sure all your drinks are ready and to enjoy for our second set with Rex Atirai. Once again, our golden sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, Samoa Observer, Viley Maburi, Samoa Tourism Authority, our silver partners, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co-Limited, and SOS. Our bronze partners, Hotel Millennia. Accommodation partners, Le Manume Hotel and Taumeasina Island Resort. And our very own production partners, Special Lighting Samoa, KL Security, Reef High Ridge, Island Business Center, and Dog Pro Audio. And ladies and gentlemen, if you have any special events, make sure if you need a DJ or a production team, contact FIAFIA Production and also Dog Audio Studios, and with our DJ, with our very own DJ on track right now, DJ Drew. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for our partners. Now, let's welcome him back with a big Chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Give it up for Rex Atirai.
Samoa. All right, we're going to have the girls, the beautiful girls, come back onto the stage. And this song is called Taku Moe Moea. So, Taku Moe Moea means my dream. And, hey, it's been one of my dreams to come back to Samoa. Oh, come back. I mean, come to Samoa. So, my dream is Nola. But here we go, Taku Moe Moea. DJ. Fix.
Kia orana hideye po omaru takavema uramaki aku momai takurima kaura taua kititangi o te ukalele ukiai rani taku moi moia ukiai rani taku moi moia kia orana my beautiful love. Embrace me, my love, while the moon lights the sky. Take my hand, while we dance to the drums and the strings of the ukulele. Ukiai rani, my home, my dream. Ukiai rani, my home, my dream. Moma tokurima, kaura taua, kititangi o te ukulele. Ukiai rani, taku moi moia. Ukiai rani, my home, my dream. Ukiai rani, moia.
All right, give a hand for our beautiful girls. All right, guys. The next song, you might have heard this all over TikTok. And if you know the actions, please let the girls do the actions. Now, if you know the actions to the song, feel free to dance. Hey, the floor's open. And if you want to sing along, you're more than welcome. DJ, let's go.
Tangata ururu kamatei kiara takia tingarenga kumia tingarenga hoki kiskero Tangata ururu kamatei kiara takia tingarenga kumia tingarenga hoki kiskero Kiriri, Tokia Pureva Reva, Toyatara, Tokia Kiriri, Tokia Pureva Reva, isqueiro. Tauiatara, tikiatikiri, kokia pureva. Tauiatara, tikiatikiri, kokia pureva. Koti, 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 koti. Koti, 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 koti. Koti, 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 koti. Koti, 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 koti.
Hey. Alrighty, are you guys enjoying Tangata Ururu? Make some noise! Now we're gonna do a little Q&A to our brother Rex. Anyone want to throw out a question to ask our brother Rex at the moment? Yell it out right now. Okay, anyway. Yes.
What inspired me to sing Cook Island music instead of mainstream music? Well, because I was brought up in church and everything, so everything started from God, so got to give it up to the men above. And yeah, being part of the praise and worship, so that's where it came from. So I was from a traditional Cook Island Christian church, and that's pretty much how I started learning all the old school Cook Island songs. Then I started learning a lot of the other songs, Tongan songs, Samoan songs. So I got some Samoan surprises that I'll do later.
Can we all say amen?
Amen.
But guess what, Rex? Nola told me she was the one that inspired you to write this whole album. Is that correct?
Oh, she inspired me to do a lot of things.
Stop it. Okay, we got one more question. Anyone want to ask a question for Rex? No? Okay, anyway, Rex, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What is Tangata Uru Uru?
So, Tangata Huru Huru actually means hairy man. So all these girls that's been dancing like all nice and everything, you must
You're
be
dancing to a hairy man. Do we have any hairy man in the building? Make some noise!
Put your hands up.
Oh, hairy. Oh, I love you. You must be exotic. She must be a real cookie. Eh?
It's a real Tangata Huru Huru.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rex Atirai.
We're going to get the girls to come back onto the stage. And this next song is called Tiare Apetahi. So, just a background story. Tiare, obviously, you know, means flower. And Apetahi is actually a type of flower that only grows on Tahiti. So this flower is very important to our culture. And I want to give it to the girls. Give a hand for our beautiful girls once again. DJ, let's go.
Tiare apetahi, tiare apetahi. E here wha aito ore, no te hore purotu nora I atea. E tapa o te waihohi o mai e nā, ini ai te maua te mehai.
pa ia ite ho ia aita e fa ho tiare apeta tiare apetai uahimene ia oe ua oe nene rupe rupe eho eva ia amburi no atu. Give another hand for our beautiful girls. All right. Our next song we're going to be singing is actually a Hawaiian song composed from myself and my family. And it's actually our gospel song. So, got to give glory back to our man, the man upstairs. And this song is called My Kapu. Just a little thing. So we actually created this song for our youth, and we did a little video clip, and this is pretty much us giving back to our youth as well too. So, is everyone still awake? If he's still awake, I want you to give me a chee-hoo! All right. If you listen to Cook Island's song, I want you to say, hey ha! yeah, that's good. All right then, we're gonna get one of our beautiful girls to come to the stage, and this song is called My Kapu. Everyone give a beautiful hand for our beautiful ladies. There we go. Yeah. Make some noise. Kapo a o e hinoa a kauika o a kahuaiki mai o Yesu ike aho ike aloha o mai kapo ika malama Yesu alakai maka uahuli kenala ika oai make akua loa akamanuhia Give a hand for our beautiful girls. All right, guys, it's going to be my last song. My last song for this set. Skidges. But As we know, the next set is going to be no more dancers be coming back on. So I just want everyone to give a beautiful hands for our girls, their dance for the songs. Manumea Girls. That's the name of the girls. They all dance. So one more clap for them, please. And now, you might know this song, so the dance floor is free. If you want to move forward, you just can move forward, and we can get into it. So our last song. The next song. Kia ora. It's on here. No track. No, it's set 2. It's the 6, 9.5. All right. Yeah, you just get moving forward. If you're feeling the vibes, if you wanna dance, come through. Let's go. This is our time to start dancing. Let's go. DJ. Yeah. Here we go. 3, 2. You got to move your body. Come on, everybody. Time to party. Kia ora na. Koto katoa. Hey, sopito, sopio, sopito. I see you, brother. Then I got the koi. Hey, then I got the koi. Hey, sopito, sopio, sopito. You got to move your body. Come on, everybody. Time to party. Kia na, koto katoa. Wind your body, wiggle your belly. Boom shakalaka, it's the new style. Why not go up? Why not go down? Come on, everybody, it's the new style. Everybody just push, kimua. Akacholo cholo lo mue. Kirikito tiosie. Akapane yes, primase. Score, cholo lo mue. Score, cholo lo mue. Roy mata, ese que ne. Hoy mata teo tengaro. Roy mata, ese que ne. Hoy mata teo tengaro. Te atua, te atua, te ola. Ona mana, te atua, te atua, ale. Here we go. 3, 2. You got to move your body. Come on, everybody. Time to party. Kia ora na, koto katoa. All right, guys. All right, that's me for now. I'll catch you out in a bit. I'm just gonna have a little break, and then we're gonna come and party. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai! Do you guys like that last number? You are the first to hear it tonight right here in the beautiful islands of Samoa. Let's give him a good chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3! Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give him 10 minutes to relax. But I have a case of Vailima Laga. Anyone want to come up here and earn a case of Laga? Anyone? I need 2 girls and 2 boys. Where? Come up here. Come up here. Come. We got 1 over there. Yeah, come. Beautiful. We got 4. All right, beautiful. Come up. Now, while they're making their way onto our stage, as you all heard the song Tangata Uru Uru, now we have this thingy called the tamure, known in the Tahitian, but we call it farapu. But we're going to call on our ladies first. Alrighty. Girls, how are you, ladies?
Feeling great.
And what is your name, gorgeous?
Toa.
Everyone say kia ora na toa. Yeah, Miss Samoa, can you step forward? What is your name, love?
Teresa.
Everyone say kia ora na Teresa. Welo suafa? Ace. Everyone say kia ora na Ace. And?
Chico Prampis.
and Tiko Papusi. Okay. As you all know, Farapo in the Cook Islands means shake your hips. This is our island version of twerking. And the boys are going to do the paoti. Paoti is when your thighs clap together, like okay? Now we're going to have our dance competition. Drew, are you ready, Drew? Alrighty, our first contestant. Please give it up for Toa. Way! Get it, go, girl. Go, girl. Shake it, shake what your mama gave you. Aliyah, Toa, aliyah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Walk on Toa. Give it up for Miss Samoa. Hey, oh, hey. Bobby, faster. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Miss Samoa. Hey, yes, ladies. Wait. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ace. Now, bring it up, Babusi. Hey. Go. One, two. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our volunteers. Thank you, Drew. Now, the moment you all been waiting for, you guys are also the judges for the evening, alrighty? Give it up for our first contestant. Second contestant. Third contestant. And Papusi. Booyah. Ele, my Papusi. Yeah, Papusi Sali. Yeah, Papusi Salumai. Yeah, first contestant Saluma. Yeah, Susoko. Let's do this one more time. Our first contestant. Give it up for Papusi. Ladies and gentlemen, I just received an email from Taumeasina Island Resort. The winner goes to Papusi. Yeah, Pusi. Kagi may so Pusi Cafe. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Yeah, Papusi. Come after the show and claim lo Pusapia, Owen. Or Pusapia. Congratulations, Papusi. Take a bow. DJ, spin that track. Here we go. You guys do it, mate. Here we go. When I say hey, you say ho. Hey. When I say oh, you say ah. Oh. When I say who, you say ho. Tell me about your pussy. We're lucky. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our volunteers. Malo lava, yeah, Miss Samoa, sorry, let's award. Yeah, Papusi, alusao le pa lima e claim lo pusapia. And ladies and gentlemen, please drink responsibly and drive home safely after our show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have this beautiful young lady, Mele. Mele, where are you, Mele? Bring your ukulele, Mele. Mele has been a big fan her whole life, and she loves Rex Atirai, and she loves a specific song called Tangata Uru Uru, which she also brought her ukulele. Are you ready? Can I have another microphone from Anmole Drew? Alrighty, got it. Okay, ready? Are you gonna sing as well? Okay, ready? Test it. Can you test that? Is it loud enough? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, give it for Mele. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time. Mele, Rex said to practice really hard. You might be on to the next tour. And guess what? Rex.
All right, we can get her to play one more time. Can we get the other one to come and hold the mic? And I'll sing while she actually plays. Testing. 1, 2. Let's go. And we got our dancer here, boo-boo. I want everyone to sing off. 3, 2. Oh, beautiful song. One more time. Goti, 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 go. Hey, everybody give my hand. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Rex, you guys want to adopt Mele and take her back to the Cook Islands? Okay, you're adopted. Go, Mele. Give it up for Mele. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we'd like to acknowledge our amazing partners that have made this event possible. Please give it up for Samoa Observer, Vailima Buries, Samoa Tourism Authority, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co. Limited, and SOS. Hotel Millennia, Limanumea Hotel, Taumeasina Island Resort, Special Lighting Samoa, KL Security, Reef High Ridge, Island Business Center, and your very own Dog Pro Audio. Give it up for our partners, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, when I say hey, you say ho. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Tangi male pussy! Tangi male povi! Tangi my Rex! Aya, aya, aya! Now, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy our music from DJ Drew. Turn it up. Use the dance floor. So yeah!
wake me from this bad dream. And going down, 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 down. And I just can't believe my first love will be running.
Go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix. Now I'm not trying to be rude, but hey pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my Lexus cool. That's why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to a hotel. You must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that, and let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24s. Why they say I'm on the radio? It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. Come on. Now it's like murder, she rolled. Once I get you out them clothes, privacy's on the door, but still they can hear you screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping and wishing. I'm about to take my key and stick it in the ignition. So give me that, let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24s. Why they say I'm ready? It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Crystal popping in the Stretch Navigator. We got food everywhere, as if the party was catered. We got fellas to my left, honey's on my right. Fellas to my left, honey's on my right.
Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I was doing things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you're acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why didn't you tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. One day, say my name, say my name. Baby, all night, love. Baby, all night, love. Baby, all night, baby, all night, and we be all night, and everything alright. No complaints with my body, so flow resting under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking, walking in my life, and me living. I'm rubbing on it, we're rubbing. If you scared, call that ribbon. Boy, I'm drinking, get my brain right. I'm on the brown, yeah, gangsta white. Do his shit, he sweat it out like wash rags. He wet out, boy, I'm drinking, I'm singing. On the mic to my boy, twisting. I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it, we ride it, we ride it, we ride it.
I think about all the time, think you made me all of mine. Hate to say, you know that love is blind. I'm about to see, I close my eyes, they can see you in it all. Most of them need dollar signs to make every day your birthday and every night your Valentine. But we tried that we could be somewhere the climate is warm, don't get you around me. I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time. Go anywhere, baby, I don't mind. Don't make my super time.
desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. It's another fiery afternoon.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask you guys to move closer. We're gonna get close and personal with our very own Rex Atirai. Let's welcome back on our stage, ladies and gentlemen. Can we all say kia ora na? Give it up for Rex Atirai for his last set, Samoa.
Tis. How's everybody tonight? All good? Still awake? I think I'm gonna come and stand in the front so we can get intimate. All right, if you want to come move forward. It's gonna be the last set, so we want to get this party going. All right, guys, as you say, can we get one? One more. Can we get one? All right, guys. Right now, we're going to start getting this party going. DJ, let's go. Oh, no. Yeah. Here we go. Try not to go fast. I want to last. Yes, you know I'm trying not to get lost in your body and not to go tell nobody. You got to move your body, try not to get lost in the party. Loving the way you move, oh you way, oh you way, no you way, oh hey mama, hey. Can I get your name and your number? Can we can do it tonight? Try not to get slow. Cause I'm trying not to rush. Yes, I'm trying not to rush. Ooh, now I'm gonna take it slow. Put my hand and never let it go. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody's feeling warm and right. No, you way. Hey mama, can I get your name and your number? Can we can do it tonight? Try not to get slow. Yes, I'm trying not to rush. Yes, I'm trying not to rush. Yes, I'm trying not to rush. All right. We're just gonna go song after song. So if you know this song, I want you to help me sing along. Everyone, let's go. Here we go. Koya mama, que mama koya mama, que mama Oh, my dancer. Oh, here we go, dancers over here. Oh, Samoa, I know you know this song. Sing along with me. Oh, beautiful. One more time. Oh, that's how we do it. One more time. Here we go. Naroi mata eto pande, roi mata te o te ngaro, roi mata ese kene, roi mata te o te ngaro, koi te rako e te ane. We got Brother Love of it. All right, let's go. All right. moving on. This song is called Tapiri Maira, which in Kukala means come closer. So come closer. Everybody, let's go. Here we go. Oh, na, na. Shout. Hey, hey. Hey, mama. Hey, papa. Do you mind if I dance around with your daughter? I get a little bit closer. Hey, ma. In it, piri, piri, maira. And everybody say, aye, aye. Moving your body like a water, like a fish, I'ma catch you like a culture. I'm not gonna let you get away. Awe, awe, you know that I need ya. Searching the world just to see ya. Love when I see you go. Why did you want to go? Oh, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? If I put my hands around your waist, I'm not gonna let you go, let you go, let you go. Hey, mama, hey, papa, do you mind if I dance around with your daughter? I get a little bit closer. Hey, ma, in it, piri, piri, mine. And everybody say, hey, ma, hey, pa, feel like I got your permission. Making my move, I'm on a mission. Hey girl, there's no competition. You know that you're coming my way now. Oh my, in it to money, baby, let's get out of here. Baby, we got time to spare. Cause I'm loving the way that you groove. Cause I'm loving the way that you groove. Oh nah, oh no, no. Hey mama, hey papa, do you mind if I dance around with your daughter? Get a little bit closer. Hey, ma, in it, piri, piri, mine. And everybody say, aye, aye, aye. Alright, guys, if you know this song, we're gonna be taking you to the vibes of Tahiti. You don't have to say, my baby, said you carry my overload. You don't have to say, my sweetie, oh, said you carry my. Oh, everybody take to the end. 3, 2, overload, overload, baby, you carry my overload, 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 baby, you carry my overload. One more time, Samoa, here we go. You don't have to say, my baby, said you carry my overload. You don't have to say, my sweetie, oh, said you carry my overload. Overload, baby, you carry my overload, 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 baby, you carry my overload. Alright, you know, drink. Alright, we're gonna bring that Cook Island vibes. This is the cookie to Samoa. The song is dedicated to Samoa. Here we go. Hey! Hey! Looking back in the distance, I
feel my happiness back in the day. When the old big the party took it out, you go with the Pararamadu.
Hey, here we go now.
Looking back in the distant shore, I saw my happiness back in the day. When the old big the party took it out, you go with the Pararamadu. I'm on a beach, blue ocean, Watakupapa, Akaziki-ziki-ya. I'm on a beach, the sunny day, and the Patao, all I see on the sand. I'm on a beach, blue ocean. mataku papa aka seke sekea.
Seke seke maine.
I'm on the beach, the sunny day. I left my towel, pour us beer on the sand. Sipu, hey, tengaru. Sipu, hey, tengaru. Sipu, tapi tengaru. Kitu kitu neya yuko baba kietele kimua. 6-meter highway, take back your lip.
All right, this song. Shout out to Samson Squad. Here we go.
I want you. Baby, you are of my heart. And oh, lately, my love, and it's the way you take control of me. I want you to be by my side. I love you like the way you love me. Not to let the love away. To see my mama way. I wait for the day I drop the knee. Hey, hey, hey. Come on in and up the fight to kill us. Say, ooh, papa, yo. Come on in and up the fight to kill us. Say, akita, kita, tata, kita, tata. Come on in and up the fight to kill us. Say, ooh, papa, yo. Come on in and up the fight to kill us. Say, akita, kita, tata. Eta kuvain, eta kapere, pere. Say, you are my queen, eta kukuku atu. I got you. I want you. All right. Let's keep going. All right. All right. I know everyone's feeling hot right now, so everyone's got to cool down right now. I need to cool down. Shut. Sitting at this fiery afternoon, and hotter than the month of June, and we should go beach out, cool down then when I want is right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run to the nearest shore. And no school is out, so let's go down. So headed out the door, yeah. The rich is on fire with these city nights. This is my desire, when I want to hit this body, yeah. Hey, cool down, yeah. The rich is on fire with these city nights. This is my desire, when I want to hit this body, yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna slow things down a little bit. But I can tell by your eyes, you've been crying forever. Oh, and the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're from mirror. Oh, Samoa, I know you know the words. Sing along, here we go. This is your turn. Talk about it. Why did you break her heart? Oh, her heart is breaking. If I stay here, listen to my. Broken hearted people here. But if I stand on
Alright. We're not forgetting about our Samoan people. This song goes out to you. Here we go. Here we go. Shit. Find myself, ooh, pay to I mala, pay to I manu, so for mala upele, so masina iprovai manu. Put your hands in the air, put your hands in the air. Tama ole lulu. One more time. I want to give a shout out to the man Corey. He forced me to do the song. So, if you know the words, feel free to sing it. Here we go. Shout. 3. Mi no pelo cielo. Siva o angalo elo. Ape epe e ualo elo. Suiti suomali perseo. Awe nata lupe lupe. Awe tangi tangi awe. Olo tule. Tawiafa ape. Tawiafa ape le pele. Mi no ye. Siva o angalo elo. Opa ape epe e ualo elo. Suiti suomali peo se oi. One time. Mino peo se oi. Siva o angalo elo. Opa ape epe e ualo elo. Suiti suomali peo se oi. Aue nata lupe lupe. Aue
Everybody give it up for Rex Atirai.
All right, thank you, Samoa, for having me. That's the last song. Thank you so much. So far, so far. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Are you guys having a good time? Make some noise. When I say hey, you say ho, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Do we have any beautiful, sexy ladies in the building? Make some noise.
And do we have any handsome kings in the building? Make some noise. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as they say, if you want Samoa, say Samoa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give him a little rest, just a little. But we want to thank all the partners that made this event possible. So first of all, please put your hands together for FIAFIA Production and Radio Polynesia. I love you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our golden sponsors, Samoa Observer, Vailima Breweries, Samoa Tourism Authority, Civil Partners, ACP, BSP, Island Rock Co. Limited, SOS, Hotel Millennia, Hotel Limanumea, Taumeasina Island Resort, Special Lighting Samoa, KL Security, Reef High Ridge, Island Business Center, and your very own Dog Pro Audio. Now make some noise for our Dog Pro Audio, for our sounds, and our special lighting, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna have you guys dance a little bit, and maybe, just maybe, if you guys make as much noise, we'll bring Rex back. On 3, 1, 2, and 3! Drew, can you drop a beat that makes my body move and give them an earthquake? Okay, DJ, give it up for DJ Cruz, Samoa!
Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. Told y'all I was gonna bump like this.
DJ Smooth.
Bump, bump, bump like this. You wanna kick that boy and make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it bump like this. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. I don't know when to hit like this.
Got my girl for life, right by my side. Ain't gonna waste my time. Got my girl for life, right by my side. Ain't gonna waste my time.
Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but My life is 10 shades of gray. I pray I fade away.
Come on and on and on. Love on top, love on top. Here we go.
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm smiling, I from ear to ear. But I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives me all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. My love on top.
Come on and on and on. Top, top, love on top. On and on and on. Top, top, come on and on and on. Top, top, love on top. On and on and on.
Yeah, this is C9 from the Dove Shack. Getting those shit out. Kicking it at Kings Park with all the homies. You know what I'm saying? So what you check out my homie Bo to the Rock. I ride with her, I slide with her, lows and dogs from the LBC. All of the hoes wanna kick it with me, cause I run with Warren G. Praise your weed, Boston and G. Water bloom fighters, low riders, and east siders. All come around to hear the dub shake G4 sound. All come around to kick it in my town. Yeah, let me hear you say, oh, summertime in the LBC. Summertime in the LBC.
Now me and my girls are deep in a 94 Wrangler Jeep, flossing all through Long Beach. Daisy Dukes gets props, Harry Nail sprays from the shop, and we're at the bomb spot called the Shack.
3 months of pleasure, how can I measure the relaxation, all the fun I'm facing? My homies got green, that's steam, for show though. Hit the stove though, so I can get a photo. My little cousin rushing to the park to munch, standing in line to get a free lunch. Why do we do what we do when we do what we do? Hanging out late with no curfew.
Joe crack the dawn, Got it. Shantae, Deborah Sport. Be about us, be about y'all. Got to do it any day.
It's about us, it's about us. What's love?
renegade. I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks her lips. She could be the office type or like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eye. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I wanna lose the feeling, cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. You looking good for the getting, I'm a rider. Other in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You should see the jury on my women and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trizz with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little menage? After the party, me and you could just slide for a few and she can come through. That's love.
Got to do with it.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just what's love?
Got to do with it.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just
Mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. His fat frame is little. Tattoo in your chest with his name in the middle. I'm not a hater, I'll just crush a lot. In the way you shake your booty, I don't want you to stop. You need to come a little closer. And let me put you under my arms like a dawn is supposed to. Please believe you leave with me. We be freaking all night like we was on E. You need to trust the God and jump in the car for a little heartache at the Taj Mahal. What's love? Love, 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 love.
Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. Just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. 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 Stop. Stop. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, rush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly, when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye, the kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla. Ice, ice, baby.
Our last two requests. Yatu Yellow, your favorite request, and he's gonna come right back to sing. Yes, sir. Say.
Who wants Aitutaki Paradise? Make some noise. Alrighty, Tangata Uru. What else do you guys want to hear? Oreo? Oreo? Just the way you are. Oh, who wants just the way you are? Okay. Rex, did you hear that? We got our crowd wanting Oreo.
We actually don't have just the way you are.
Oh, we don't have just the way you are. You know, we can do the Oreo first. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring him back. Please put your hands together.
All right, I'll come up in the front so we can get intimate again.
And then we're going to have his beautiful fiancée, Nola, perform this number one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Rex Atirai.
All right. Here we go. Just for Samoa. These last two songs are for you. Let's go, DJ. All right, we'll take you to the beautiful island of Tahiti. First of all, I just want to give a shout out to Tano Samoa for shouting us with his shirt. As you can see, my shirt. And also for our dancer here, Nola. And her beautiful dress. Tano Samoa, let's go. You should have come in. Orio te atua, vaine no te moana, do te rava. Oh, tape ata oe ofe, hei oe na te a. Oh, everybody feel this song. Here we go. Rio, Rio, aho imai utane. Oh, apa imai hende fa. She's out of the cage now. Here we go. Is he from Samoa? All right. Shout out to Nola.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the beautiful Nola.
Here we go. Sing along. Tangata ururu, tamate ikiara. Takia tingarenga, kumia tingarenga, hoki kiskero. Tangata ururu, tamate ikiara. Takia tingarenga, kumia tingarenga, hoki kiskero. Taumeasina, tsukiyatte kiriri, hokia kureva reva. Taumeasina, tsukiyatte kiriri, hokia kureva reva. Everybody, koti, 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 koti. Tangata ururu, kama
te kiara. Te tinga renga, me tinga renga o kikisero. Tangata uru, kama te kiara. Te tinga renga, me tinga renga o kikisero. Taumeasina, Reva, reva, Taumeasina, tikiri, kokia kureva, reva. One more time. Koti, 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 koti. One more time. Koti, 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 koti.
All right. I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Rex Atirai.
Thank you so much.
Now, Samoa, let's give him the best chihu in Samoa. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, you can come and see Rex after the show, but Drew, you better drop it like it's hot. These people deserve it. Ladies and gentlemen, FIAFIA production, Radio Polynesia, Tofa, Saifua. Here we go, yeah, 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 yeah.
Lick my just like that. My neck, my back, lick my just like that. My neck, my back, lick my just like that. My neck, my back, lick my just like that. First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the back up to the front. Then you get it all, keep me up on ya. Make sure I keep my eyes on ya. All over the club and stuff. A real player show me so much love. The best love comes slow and long. Knows how to stay down on ya. All night till the crack of dawn. Real good, keep it coming strong. Through the night, making so much love. Dead sleep when the sun comes up. So lick it now, lick it good. Lick this just like you should. Right now, lick it good. Lick this just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my just like that. My neck, my back, lick my just like that. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La 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 la. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Friday night and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated driver, take the keys to my truck. Get the shop cause I'm faded. Honey's in the streets, say money, yo, we made it.